Welcome to our channel. Arris Modem connection issues solved. Step-by-step guide 2025. 1. Restart your modem. Unplug the Arris modem's power cable, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. 2. Check all cable connections. Ensure the power cable, coaxial cable, and Ethernet wires are tightly connected and not damaged. 3. Verify internet from ISP. Sometimes the issue is from your internet provider. Check service status or call your ISP. 4. Check modem light indicators. Green stable lights equals good. Blinking or red lights equals signal or connection issue. 5. Restart your router. If using one, power cycle your Wi-Fi router along with your Arris modem. 6. Test with direct connection. Connect your PC, laptop directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable to see if internet works. 7. Reset modem to factory settings. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase custom settings. 8. Update modem firmware. Check your ISP portal or modem login page, usually 192.168.0.1, for new firmware updates. 9. Check signal levels. Log into your modem dashboard and confirm downstream, upstream levels are within the allowed range. 10. Contact customer support. If still not working, call Arris or your ISP for a line check or possible modem replacement. Thank you for watching.